Hello, I'm Austin Zilke, and I'll be talking about the Solar Impulse 2, which is seen above flying over the Golden Gate Bridge. I chose this aircraft because I'm extremely interested in the future of environmentally friendly flight, and the Solar Impulse highlights an important first step in the direction of a sustainable future. The origin of the Solar Impulse 2 was in 2003 when the project was started by Bertrand Piccard and André Borschberg. The first prototype, Solar Impulse 1, was completed in 2009 and carried out subsequent flight tests, ultimately paving the way for the construction of Solar Impulse 2 from 2011 to 2013. The plane itself was made from extremely lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber and low-density thermal insulation. The Solar Impulse 2 has some very intriguing design specifications. Use of the previously mentioned materials brought the weight down to 5,100 pounds. There is room for only one crew member in the 130 cubic foot cockpit. The wingspan of Solar Impulse 2 is longer than its length and longer than the wingspan of a Boeing 747, coming in at a length of 236 feet. It also has an insane aspect ratio of 19.18. In addition, the whole 2,901 square feet of wing area is covered by 17,248 solar cells, which provide 66 kilowatts of peak power. The aircraft is propelled by 4 electric motors, producing a total of 69.6 horsepower. Each motor has a lithium-ion battery connected, which can store 41 kilowatt hours of energy. Solar Impulse 2 is a very low-speed aircraft, with a daytime cruise speed of 56 miles per hour and a nighttime cruise speed of 37 miles per hour. It also has a takeoff speed of 22.4 miles per hour. It can achieve a service ceiling of 27,900 feet. With all of the interesting design parameters, the purpose of Solar Impulse 2 is obvious: to circumnavigate the Earth under its own power generated by the Sun. The original trip had 12 planned stops and started in early March of 2015, with a target completion date of August 2015. However, after flying from Japan to Hawaii, the plane's batteries were damaged. Continuation of this journey was prolonged until the batteries were replaced, and finally, in April of 2016, Solar Impulse 2 took off once more, finally arriving back to where it once started in July, after 16.5 months. I'll play a video, or the start of a video real quick. In order to accomplish such an impressive trip, Solar Impulse 2 cruised at the service ceiling of 8,500 meters during the day, and then dipped down to 1,500 meters at night to power glide at the nighttime speed. This allowed for the best range during the day and best endurance at night. The plane was also equipped with a 20-minute autopilot function, which allowed the pilot opportunities to rest or exercise. Solar Impulse 2 set many records during its circumnavigation, such as the longest solo flight by time for any aircraft, and the first circumnavigation of Earth by piloted fixed-wing aircraft using only solar power. As of now, Solar Impulse 2 has been turned into an unmanned aircraft by Skydweller Aero for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance purposes. Thank you.